Hello friends, welcome to our channel. As you already know, we've started our brand new series, Beginner to Advanced Excel Formulas, and this is Lesson 1. In today's video, we'll cover the basics of Excel formulas, including tools like AutoSum and AutoFill. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please do it now. And if you're watching this on Facebook, don't forget to follow our page for more videos and updates. Let's get started without any further delay. We've taken some random data for demonstration, and we'll learn 4 methods to apply basic formulas. 1. AutoSum. 2. Double-click. 3rd, drag. Down. 4th, keyboard shortcut. Let's begin with AutoSum. Just select the entire data range. Click the Sigma icon from the Home tab, and it's done in one click. Now let's try the double-click method. First, apply AutoSum to the first cell, and then just double-click the fill handle. It will autofill all the cells below. The next method is dragging down. Again, use AutoSum on the first row, then drag the small square down to apply it to the rest of the cells. Now that you understand the basics, let's learn a time-saving shortcut. Select the range and press Alt+= on your keyboard. Like magic, the sum is applied instantly. You can even use this for individual rows one by one. We hope you found this video helpful. If you want us to cover any specific topic in this series, feel free to drop your suggestion in the comments section. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.